Welcome to today's guide on planting watermelons. From choosing the right seeds to harvesting sweet, juicy fruits, we'll walk you through every step needed for a successful farm. Start by selecting high-quality, disease-resistant watermelon seeds. Consider varieties suited to your climate, early maturing types for cooler regions, and larger fruited varieties for warmer areas. Watermelons thrive in well-drained, sandy loam soil with plenty of organic matter. Plow and harrow the land to create a fine seedbed and test soil pH. It should be between 6.0 and 6.8. Plant seeds in rows, spacing them about 2 to 3 meters apart to allow vines to spread. Place 2 to 3 seeds per hole, about 2.5 centimeters deep, then thin to the strongest seedling. Are we together in the planting process? Do you understand so far? Excellent. Let's keep going. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and keep fruits clean. Use straw, dry grass, or plastic mulch around the base of the plants. Even if you only have a backyard, you can still enjoy fresh watermelons. Imagine harvesting your own sweet fruit right at home. Watermelons need consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruit set. Use drip irrigation for efficiency, but reduce watering as fruits mature to enhance sweetness. Apply nitrogen-rich fertilizer early for vine growth, then switch to phosphorus and potassium for flowering and fruit development. Regularly scout for pests like aphids and diseases such as powdery mildew. Pruning is minimal for watermelons, but removing weak shoots can help direct energy to strong vines. Training vines along rows prevents overcrowding. Sometimes, watermelons face soil-borne diseases that weaken them. To protect your crop, we use grafting. This means joining a watermelon seedling onto a stronger, disease-resistant rootstock. First, cut the stem of the watermelon seedling at an angle. Then, cut the rootstock seedling the same way. Fit them together carefully, secure with a clip, and let them heal in a nursery. After a few days, the grafted seedling grows stronger and ready for transplanting. Are we together in this process? Great. This is how you ensure healthier watermelons, even in tough soils. Now, the fun part, harvest. Look for a dry tendril, a creamy yellow underside, and that hollow sound when tapped. That's when your watermelon is ready. See, whether you have a big farm or just a backyard, you can grow watermelons. Are we together in this journey? Yes. So go ahead, plant yours today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips.